Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this. It's 24K Beanie Boppers. This is, let's see, what's the name? Gabby the Blue Parrots plush from 1997. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's the colorful wings in the back. There it is. The tail. There's the back. There's the touch tag. There's the back of the touch tag. And the tag's kind of crinkled pretty bad, but oh well. Here's the back. Boom. Gabby. I think what happened was it was sitting like, hold on. It was sitting like this for the example. It was sitting like that. I know. Kind of crazy, right? But it still looks fine. There's the eyes. There. Plastic. The beak. The other eye. Here it is like this way. There's the tag again. And the back. There's the bottom of the tail feather. There's the little feet. The belly's blue. There's its face. Squat! And there is the little hangy. There's a little thing up there. The little hook thing. If you can hang him. There he is. Nice. And this side, that side. There's blue, yellow, and red. Here it is up top. And then there it is down to the bottom. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this 24K Beanie Boppers Gabby the Blue, Yellow, and Red Parrot plush from 1997. Alright guys, bye.